The 2014 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, hard disk drive media storage, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.